TenX Wallet app, the pros, the cons. The TenX Wallet app once promised to make crypto spending as easy as using a regular debit card. But does it still live up to that vision? The surprising truth is, TenX had a bright start, but a complicated journey. Let's begin with the pros. TenX was one of the first wallet apps to offer a crypto debit card, letting users spend Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin anywhere Visa was accepted. That alone made it a game changer when it launched. The wallet itself is simple and beginner-friendly, designed for people who want to manage, send, and spend crypto without dealing with complex blockchain settings. Transactions were instant, and you could monitor your card balance and crypto holdings all in one place. TenX also focused heavily on security. The app uses strong encryption and two-factor authentication, and users maintain control over their private keys. Its custodial model was transparent and compliant with global financial regulations, offering peace of mind to many users. Now, the cons and are important. TenX faced serious setbacks when its card issuer, Wirecard, collapsed in 2020. This left users temporarily unable to use their cards, shaking confidence in the brand. Additionally, TenX support and ecosystem have stagnated. While it was once a pioneer, the project hasn't kept up with newer wallets offering more coins, DeFi access, and multi-chain functionality. Another limitation is that the TenX token paid never reached its promised utility, which disappointed many early supporters. In summary, the TenX Wallet app was revolutionary for its time, turning crypto into something you could actually spend. But most people get this wrong. TenX isn't dead, it's just outdated. The lesson here? Innovation moves fast in crypto, and what was groundbreaking in 2017 is now just the foundation for the next big leap.